What to look for when buying CBD online. You can buy CBD from a variety of places, including brick-and-mortar shops to private sellers. Getting a hold of these products has never been easier. If you're looking for high-quality, cost-effective CBD products, buying online may be your best bet. What is the CBD brand experience like when buying CBD online? Experience matters in the CBD industry. There are plenty of brands with years of experience extracting hemp-derived CBD and forming partnerships with reputable farms. It's important to find a CBD brand that has built a reliable business, choosing to do things efficaciously while creating products worth incorporating into your wellness routine. What claims does the CBD company make when buying CBD online? The CBD industry is swarming with claims. Some say they'll eliminate this, others say they'll improve that. It can be confusing to sort through each claim, especially if some sound a little too good to be true. It can be important to consider what the CBD brand doesn't say or promise. Some of the best CBD brands value their customers' trust and won't make any claims they can't validate. How is the CBD brand different? There are countless CBD brands on the market. With similar branding images and aesthetics, they can start to blur together. The best CBD brands will find a way to rise above the rest by incorporating unique values and highlighting propositions that aren't easily imitated. For some brands, their customer experience and brand identity stands out. For others, it's the brand's commitment to transparency, providing easy-to-understand test results and accessible product information for each product. Seek a wide selection of CBD products to fit your needs. CBD products can fit a variety of needs, and many people choose a product designed for their needs and lifestyle in mind. While seeking products that are efficacious and provide important health and wellness benefits, that's why you should shop a CBD brand with a wide selection of premium, high-quality products. For the best and biggest variety of CBD products here in the USA, go to cbdworldmall.com.